Welcome to today's video on essential foods for cancer prevention. Have you ever wondered why cancer rates continue to rise, even with the billions spent on medical research each year? In 2025 alone, over 19.3 million new cases were reported globally, and the numbers keep climbing. Yet what if the key to preventing cancer isn't hidden in high-cost treatments or cutting-edge technology? What if it's already in your kitchen, waiting to be discovered? Why are some of the most powerful research-backed cancer-fighting foods so rarely discussed? These are foods that can help destroy cancer cells, boost your immune system, and naturally detoxify your body. Could it be that there's little profit in prevention? Think about it. If more people understood how food could protect them, how much would it affect the massive industry built on medications and treatments? In this video, we're revealing 10 essential foods for cancer prevention. Foods that have the potential to dramatically improve your health. And here's the real surprise. Number 7 on our list has shown greater effectiveness in early cancer prevention than some widely used pharmaceuticals. This isn't just another list. We'll also show you practical, everyday ways to incorporate these powerful foods into your meals for maximum benefit. You'll walk away with actionable insights you can start using immediately. Stay with us until the very end, because this information could truly be life-changing. If you're committed to protecting yourself and those you love, you won't want to miss a single detail. Your journey toward a healthier, cancer-resistant life starts now. Let's dive in. Now let's explore the essential foods you should include in your diet for cancer prevention. Starting with number 1, Maytake mushrooms. When I first discovered Maytake mushrooms at a local farmer's market, I was immediately drawn to their unique, feather-like fronds. Intrigued, I brought some home and started incorporating them into my meals, sautéing them with garlic, adding them to stir-fries, and blending them into soups. Beyond their rich, savory umami flavor, I soon uncovered their impressive health benefits, especially their potential role in cancer prevention. A 2023 study published in Mushrooms with Therapeutic Potentials explored the medicinal value of Maytake mushrooms. Researchers found that compounds such as beta-glucans and triterpenes present in Maytake exhibited strong anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties, making them a growing area of interest in pharmaceutical research. To reap the benefits, try including about half a cup of cooked Maytake mushrooms in your daily diet. They're versatile. Sauté them with olive oil, toss them into pasta, or grill them for a rich, smoky flavor. For those with a busy lifestyle, Maytake supplements are also available. However, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional before beginning any new supplement routine. By adding Maytake mushrooms to your meals, you're not just enhancing taste, you're taking a proactive step toward better health. Their unique texture and flavor make them a standout ingredient, and their potential to support cancer prevention is a compelling bonus. Number 2, black garlic adding. Black garlic to your daily routine can be both a culinary delight and a powerful health booster. Unlike regular garlic, black garlic undergoes a unique fermentation process that transforms its sharp, pungent flavor into a rich, sweet, umami-packed taste with a soft, chewy texture. But its appeal goes far beyond flavor. Black garlic is loaded with antioxidants and bioactive compounds that have shown potential in supporting immune function and reducing chronic inflammation. A 2024 study published in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences explored the health-promoting effects of black garlic and found that its unique compounds may reduce oxidative stress and systemic inflammation, 2 key contributors to chronic disease, including cancer. To enjoy the benefits, consider adding 1 to 2 cloves of black garlic per day to your meals. Its mellow, almost balsamic-like flavor pairs well with pasta, risottos, dressings, spreads, and even roasted vegetables. It's also tasty on its own as a nutritious snack. For added convenience, black garlic is available in supplement form. However, it's wise to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement, especially if you're managing other health conditions or taking medications. Incorporating black garlic into your meals is an effortless way to elevate both flavor and wellness. It offers a delicious path towards supporting your body's natural defense systems. Number 3, soursop graviola. Soursop, also known as Annona muricata, is a tropical fruit long valued in traditional medicine for its soothing properties and delicious flavor. Creamy in texture and sweet tart in taste, soursop is now gaining attention in scientific circles for its potential role in cancer prevention. A 2024 systematic review published in the Malaysian Journal of Pharmacy examined human studies investigating soursop's effects in cancer patients. Researchers found that soursop may inhibit the growth of cancer cells, enhance caspase activity, which plays a key role in apoptosis or programmed cell death, and exhibit anti-inflammatory properties. Notably, the review also highlighted that soursop was generally well tolerated, with no adverse effects on liver, kidney, or bone marrow function in clinical settings. Incorporating soursop into your diet can be both enjoyable and rewarding. Its soft, creamy texture makes it ideal for smoothies, homemade sorbets, or even eaten fresh by the spoonful. For a more traditional approach, soursop leaf tea is a popular preparation. Simply steep 1 to 2 grams of dried leaves in hot water for about 10 minutes for a gentle, earthy brew. As with any natural remedy, it's important to speak with your healthcare provider, especially if you're on medications or managing a chronic condition. Soursop should be used as a complementary part of a balanced, nutrient-rich diet, not a cure-all. The science surrounding soursop is still evolving, but its promising properties make it a fascinating and flavorful addition to your cancer prevention toolkit. Number 4. Bitter melon. Every morning, my grandmother would prepare a warm cup of bitter melon tea, claiming it was her secret to longevity. I once dismissed this as folklore, but modern science is proving her wisdom may have been ahead of its time. A 2023 study published in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences explored bitter melon, Momordica carantia, and its potential in treating breast and gynecological cancers. The research found that bitter melon contains bioactive compounds that may inhibit cancer cell proliferation and trigger apoptosis or programmed cell death in various cancer cell lines. Incorporating bitter melon into your daily meals can be both traditional and practical. Try slicing it into stir-fries, adding it to soups, or brewing it as tea. Its bitter flavor can be balanced with savory spices or paired with vegetables like onion and garlic. If the fresh fruit isn't your preference, supplements and extracts are available in capsule form. While there's no official standard for dosage, many practitioners recommend around 100 to 200 milliliters of juice or tea daily. As always, consult your healthcare provider before adding any new supplement, especially if you're on medication or managing a health condition. Honoring this traditional remedy may not only connect us with cultural heritage, but also serve as a meaningful addition to a proactive wellness plan. Number 5, watercress. A few years ago, I came across a study that genuinely shifted how I think about food. Published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, researchers discovered that daily consumption of watercress, a peppery leafy green, could reduce DNA damage in white blood cells, a known marker linked to cancer risk. The 2007 study followed participants over 8 weeks. They consumed 85 grams, about 3 ounces, of raw watercress daily. The results were striking. Not only did DNA damage decrease, but levels of circulating antioxidants increased significantly, strengthening the body's defense systems. Inspired, I began adding watercress to my own meals. In smoothies, tossed into salads, layered on sandwiches, and even used as a vibrant garnish for soups. Its spicy, fresh flavor quickly became a favorite in my kitchen. For maximum benefit, consume watercress raw, as cooking may reduce some of its cancer-fighting compounds. Aim for that same 85 grams per day, the amount used in the study. It may seem like a small addition, but based on the research, watercress could have a big impact on lowering cancer risk through its antioxidant and DNA protective effects. Number 6, red grapes. A handful of red grapes can be much more than a sweet afternoon snack. It might be a small yet significant step toward cancer prevention. The skin of red grapes contains a powerful compound called resveratrol, a natural antioxidant that has drawn increasing interest in the world of cancer research. In 2024, scientists at the University of Leicester launched the Color Prevent trial, which aims to investigate the impact of purified resveratrol on bowel cancer prevention. This research builds on earlier studies that showed resveratrol could slow tumor growth in both mice and human tissue models. One of its key advantages? Resveratrol appears to reach the colon undigested, where it may help inhibit cancer cell proliferation right at the source. Adding red grapes to your daily meals is as easy as it is enjoyable. Aim for around 1 cup, 150 grams, of fresh grapes per day. They can be tossed into breakfast cereals, added to fruit salads, or eaten on their own as a quick and energizing snack. While some associate red wine with resveratrol, it's important to remember that alcohol consumption is a known cancer risk factor. For that reason, fresh red grapes remain the best and safest source of resveratrol, delivering antioxidants and fiber without the health trade-offs of alcohol. As the Colo Prevent study continues, early evidence suggests that simply eating red grapes may be a natural, accessible way to support long-term health. Number 7. Onions. Sometimes the most powerful health boosters are already in your kitchen. Onions, a humble staple in countless dishes around the world, are also gaining recognition as a cancer-fighting food. In a study published in the journal Nutrition and Cancer, researchers observed that women who frequently consumed sofrito, a traditional Puerto Rican seasoning base, rich in onions and garlic, had a 67% lower risk of breast cancer compared to those who rarely or never consumed it. To gain similar benefits, try adding around half a cup of chopped onions to your meals each day. This is easy to achieve. Onions can be sautéed into stir-fries, added to soups, or used as a flavorful base for sauces and curries. Start your morning with an omelet filled with onions and greens, or enjoy a comforting lentil soup packed with hearty vegetables and onions for dinner. Beyond their rich flavor, onions are high in quercetin, a flavonoid with powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that may contribute to cancer prevention. Making onions a daily staple in your cooking is a flavorful and simple way to support your body's long-term health. Number 8. Sweet potatoes. Not long ago, a research team at Tennessee State University uncovered something remarkable. While sweet potatoes are already known for their nutritional value, their leaves and stems, parts often discarded or overlooked, were found to contain powerful compounds with anti-cancer potential. In a 2025 study published in BMC Complementary Medicine and Therapies, scientists discovered that extracts from the all-purpose sweet potato variety reduced breast cancer cell viability by up to 76%, while the Carolina Ruby variety achieved a stunning 96% inhibition rate against lung cancer cells. This breakthrough sheds light on how the entire sweet potato plant, not just the tuber, may support cancer prevention. The vibrant hues of sweet potatoes, especially deep orange and purple, come from anthocyanins and beta-carotene. These antioxidants are known for their ability to neutralize free radicals, support immune function, and trigger apoptosis, or natural cell death, in cancerous cells. To benefit from sweet potatoes, aim for about 1 cup of cooked tuber per day, equivalent to a medium-sized potato. For maximum nutrition, boil them with the skin on, and pair them with a healthy fat like olive oil or avocado to improve the absorption of fat-soluble nutrients, such as beta-carotene and vitamin E. As for the greens, don't throw them away. Sweet potato leaves can be sautéed just like spinach or kale, offering a nutrient-dense boost to soups, stir-fries, and side dishes. Rich in polyphenols, they provide additional antioxidant support and make a flavorful, healthful addition to your plate. As research continues to explore their full range of benefits, sweet potatoes, tuber, and greens alike stand out as a simple, delicious food with powerful protective potential. Number 9. Flax seeds. A friend of mine once mentioned how she began adding ground flax seeds to her oatmeal each morning. It started as a way to boost fiber and add a nutty flavor. But over time, she grew to appreciate the deeper health benefits of this humble seed, particularly its potential in cancer prevention. Flax seeds are one of the richest sources of lignans, naturally occurring phytoestrogens that can interact with hormone-related pathways in the body. Studies have shown that lignans may influence estrogen metabolism, gene expression, and even help modulate the gut microbiome, all of which are factors involved in hormone-related cancers, including breast and prostate cancer. Incorporating flax seeds into your meals is both easy and versatile. Try adding 1 tablespoon of freshly ground flax seeds to yogurt, smoothies, baked goods, or your morning oatmeal. Ground flax seeds are best, as whole seeds often pass through the digestive tract undigested, which limits their nutrient availability. Beyond lignans, flax seeds are also a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, soluble fiber, and antioxidants, all of which support inflammation control and digestive health. That said, it's always wise to check with a healthcare professional, especially if you're managing specific medical conditions or have concerns related to hormone-sensitive health issues. While flax seeds are generally well tolerated, personalized advice ensures you get the most benefits safely. By making flax seeds a small, consistent part of your routine, you're not only enhancing your daily meals, you're giving your body a powerful nutritional ally in long-term wellness. Number 10, blueberries. Each morning, as I prepare breakfast, I reach for a handful of blueberries to top my oatmeal. It's a small ritual, not just for their sweet, refreshing flavor, but because I know they're quietly supporting my health in powerful ways. A 2024 comprehensive review published in the Journal of Agriculture and Food Research shed light on blueberries' anti-cancer potential, attributing their benefits to a rich concentration of anthocyanins and other phytochemicals. These compounds have been studied for their role in inhibiting tumor growth and lowering the risk of recurrence in various cancer types. To take full advantage of these benefits, I aim for about 1 cup, roughly 150 grams, of fresh or frozen blueberries daily. They're incredibly versatile, tossed into smoothies, stirred into yogurt, or simply enjoyed by the handful as a snack. More than just a food choice, this daily ritual has become a reminder that even small, consistent actions can contribute to long-term wellness. Final thoughts. And that wraps up our list of 15 essential foods for cancer prevention, each backed by compelling scientific research and easy to incorporate into your everyday meals. Now it's your turn. Are you already eating any of these foods regularly? Have you noticed any changes in your energy, digestion, or overall well-being? Share your experience in the comments below. I'd love to hear how your journey to better health is going. If you found this video helpful, type yes in the comment box. It really encourages us to keep bringing you more meaningful content like this, rooted in science and designed to help you live healthier, longer, and stronger.